Okay, I'm filming it. We're at like 18 seconds in, which it's fogging up. It's still, we can hardly see them. So one of them getting bigger?
I can't tell.
It totally fogged up the glass.
Damn it.
Damn it.
I guess we'll know if it's a fast enough reaction.
I want to keep the clock in the picture. There we go.
We've almost survived a minute already.
I wonder if we're just going to get like boiled grapes. You know?
Maybe. Not really much going on yet. Damn. Pretty soon now. Maybe we have to like leave the little stem on, just like cut them off of the bunch instead of pulling them off.
They're like dripping and they're bleeding out the sides, man. They're totally draining. That one's, I swear, there's like a foam trail coming down the sides from it. This one's totally fogged in. Oh, there it is. Yeah. It's better on the phone screen than just looking with your eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Blam, blam!
2 minutes already. Still nothing.
I feel warmth on my fingers. I don't know if I should be this close. I'm holding a cellular telephone next to a microwave, and my fingers feel warm. I don't know about this, man.
This is kind of risky.
They're boiling. It's like the grapes are boiling from the inside. They're like drying up. We'll turn them into raisins, man. Microwave is drying them out. How porous is the skin? Look at all the... It's like dripping.
Well, they've got that little hole in the one end. Maybe we're gonna keep that plugged by like clipping them off the bunch.
We got 13, 12, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All right, let's see what we got.
This feels like a very unsuccessful project.
Let's take it outside. Awesome, we made great big raisins, man.
Yeah, it looks like they just kind of spat their juices out.
This one pooped all over it.
It's all cooked.